I know that there are a lot of people in the village who need my help. That's why I always come back so I can render help to people. Giving is my calling. Okay, here you go. 2 million naira.
Hey!
We are looking for Dwayne.
Discovering that you are the one who holds the key to unlock the prison of your happiness is empowering. However, to free yourself, you have to recognize that you have been your own jailer.
You are under arrest for conspiracy to commit murder.
Murder?
So that's the plan, huh? Next thing she'll say I killed my mother and my family and all that rubbish. Listen, how much do I give to you to grow your church?
Where did you get this ring?
Are you looking for your own ring?
Answer me. I am not your wife.
So bloody what? Who cares who you are?
That which is in your finger belongs to the sons of the Pope.
What nonsense are you talking about? You brought that business. You killed Alex. It is every lion on its own. Get down from that car. I will shoot you. You with me now?
Junior! Calamity has befallen our life, Your Majesty. I wake up this morning and find my son dead.
Douglas, don't do this. Douglas!
Hey!
Mama, what happened? Oh no. Didn't you hear about the death of our king? Oh no. Who are you? I have never seen anything like that in my entire life. He was standing, and before I knew what was happening, and I wanted to be sure that I was not dreaming.
All these things you're saying sounds like bedside stories.
A man should be a man. Look, whatever it is, ghost, but I need you.
Odueni, bam. Hey! What are you looking at?
This must be it. The dead hills of Akuma. The abode of the sons of the Pope.
To death! Touch my son! You blood-sucking demon!